Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the Treadmill rubber treadmill mats, a versatile solution designed to protect your floors and enhance your fitness experience. These anti-vibration pads come in a convenient pack of 6, each measuring 10 by 10 by 2 centimeters, perfect for safeguarding your hardwood floors and carpets from the wear and tear of heavy fitness equipment. Crafted from high-quality, durable rubber, these mats are built to withstand the weight and pressure of treadmills, exercise bikes, and more, ensuring no deformation over time. Not only do they provide excellent shock absorption and noise reduction, but they also feature an anti-slip design to keep your equipment stable and secure. Easy to install and adjust, these mats are suitable for a wide range of applications beyond fitness equipment, including under washing machines, dryers, and even air compressors. Whether you're setting up a home gym or simply looking to protect your floors, these multifunctional rubber pads have got you covered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.